This is a block of a sofa set. I'm going to add this teepot onto this block. Now when you click on the sofa set, you can see that the teepot is also a part of this block. Let's see the procedure. Conventionally, what you have to do is select the teepot, press Ctrl C to copy, and double click on the sofa. You will get Edit Block Definition dialog box and click on OK, and Ctrl V to paste the teepot in the block editor interface. Close the block editor and save the changes to the sofa set and erase the teepot which you have used for copying. Now when you click on the sofa set, you can see that it is a single object. This entire process can be eliminated using a single Lisp routine. Please visit SabeerCAD.com to learn AutoCAD 2D 3D project based. You will also get free stuff from this website. You can also get a course completion certificate. Now this is done using a Lisp routine add to block. So you have to first load the Lisp routine using the app load command. And select the Lisp routine and click on load and click on always load and close the dialog box. Now give the command add to block. Give enter and select object to add to block. Select the teepot and give enter and select the block. Now select the sofa set. Now when you click on the sofa set, you can see that the teepot is automatically added to the sofa set. So this is a simple procedure to add any object to an existing block. Please click on the link at the description section of this video to download this Lisp routine. Please click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to SabeerCAD YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you so much for your time.